Hi guys, so I am in my backyard and I just finished a really fun project. A project that was my first time ever trying a spray painter by Paint Zoom. When Paint Zoom reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in testing it out, I was like, absolutely, because I have been wanting to try a spray painter for a long time now, but I never had one, so I never knew how to use it. So I kicked my husband out of the house this morning. I read the instructions, I mixed my own paint, and I just refinished one of my father's old benches. So let me share it with you. This is the old bench that I will be painting today with the Paint Zoom. Being my first time using the Paint Zoom, I wanted to create a really nice workspace with a drop cloth and a work table. A little work table like this is perfect to hold the Paint Zoom, the owner's manual, my paint, some of the mixing tools, and tape that I will be needing for my project today. It also helps me stay organized. And a bonus is the duct tape and 2 drop cloths that also come with the Paint Zoom. Now I want to clean up the bench as best I can. Now I flip the bench over so I can start painting from the underbelly. Since this is my first time, this will provide me with some confidence in case there's any dripping or I don't quite get the technique right off the bat. But I would normally start on the underbelly anyways. You can see that this hasn't been painted well. It has a lot of markings. Look how dirty it is. So it really needs some help. Next, I mixed up my paints and velocity according to the instructor's manual. And then I tested it out on a piece of cardboard so I could get my technique down and make any adjustments to the nozzles and the funnel. And then I was off and running. It was really easy to do. It spread so evenly and nicely. I did get some drips because I think I went a little too close in places, but that's okay. It was on the underbelly and it was my first time. And I went ahead and applied a second coat underneath the bench as well. Once the bottom of the bench was dry, I flipped the bench over and started on the front side of it. It was a little challenging to get all the details, but I got it, and now the bench looks amazing. And with the little remaining paint left, I grabbed a little black basket to paint blue as well. The Paint Zoom was super easy, and I loved it. And as I get ready for my next project with the Paint Zoom, I wanted to let you know that you too can save 25% off by clicking the link here and also get a free Perfect Painters Kit with a $25 value. Thank you so much for stopping by and have a great day.